I just got the JBL Flip 5 Bluetooth speaker and I'm doing a review. It's not gonna be your regular review, I'm gonna do some crazy stuff with it, so keep on watching after this.
Sorry, I'm not sure how to help with that.
Yeah, that's what I thought. Welcome to the video. My name is Tom and on this channel I make weekly videos on fitness, healthy foods and lifestyle. If you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button down below. Today I'm reviewing a Bluetooth speaker from JBL. And now for something not everyone knows, JBL doesn't have anything to do with Justin Bieber. Instead, it's Samsung's product line for speakers. Samsung bought JBL Harman in 2017 for $8 billion. Now that's about as much as the Earth's population, in humans I mean. And today I'm reviewing their JBL Flip 5 Bluetooth speaker. I managed to snatch myself one for 78 euros, while in store they go for about 105 euros. A bit pricier than the previous model, the JBL Flip 4, but still very affordable for a portable, waterproof Bluetooth speaker. They released the JBL Flip 5 in 2019. A portable speaker that functions via Bluetooth, is waterproof and produces some quality sound with a solid bass. Now this is one of the cheapest cases I have ever seen. I think it would have made me even happier if it just wasn't included at all. When comparing the JBL Flip 5 with the previous model, the JBL Flip 4, there are some noticeable differences. First of all, the size. The JBL Flip 5, this one, is about 18.1 centimeters and is a bit larger than the previous model, and also weighs 540 grams, which is a bit heavier than the previous model. Also, the sides are quite different, as you can see, but next to that, they kind of look alike. They removed the plastic protection with the JBL Flip 5, and with it they also removed the aux input and replaced the micro USB with USB-C. As you can see, this is some weird kind of cable you can only use for this purpose. So this is another cable you have to keep around. Now for a big downside, the linking. The JBL Flip 4 had Connect Plus, a feature which would let you connect to other JBL speakers. The JBL Flip 5 also has that feature, but has a different system. It's called the Party Boost, so not the Connect Plus, which you would have with the Flip 4. And basically, you only can link with other Party Boost systems, so only JBL speakers who have Party Boost and not Connect Plus. The interface of the JBL speakers is not really my style. They didn't really change anything about it. As you can see, there are as many buttons as there were on a JBL Flip 4. The newer model charges 1 hour faster than the previous model with 2.5 hours of charging time. And the battery life remained the same with about 12 hours, depending on how loud you put the speakers, of course. Another huge downside of the JBL Flip 5 is the fact that it no longer has that built-in microphone the JBL Flip 4 had, so it's not compatible with voice assistants. Let's ask the previous model, JBL Flip 4, for some advice on it. Okay Google, why does the JBL Flip 5 not support voice assistants?
Sorry, I'm not sure how to help with that.
Yeah, that's what I thought. To fully test the sound of the JBL Flip 5 compared to the JBL Flip 4, I've composed a song while I was waiting on the JBL 5 to arrive. I've never made a song before and I'm trying to make a trap song now. So yeah, let's just do it. So we have to pick a melody. Yeah, I like this one. Okay, we're taking this one. So we have our melody. Okay, we have the melody, the hi-hats. All we need is the 808 now. That's fine, it's a good 808. Oh yeah, that's a good one. That's the song. Okay, I like it. I think we got it. Let's listen. It's enough to test with the JBL, so we'll just finish right now. And let's see how the JBL will do when it arrives. The JBL Flip 5 sounds better with a louder, a more clear and a solid bass than the JBL Flip 4. But apart from that, they're quite similar in sound. The JBL Flip 5 is perfect for workouts. I would advise to use the JBL Flip 5 in either an outside gym or when you're working out alone or with your buddies. No problems like your headphones falling off in the gym, or like losing one of your AirPods in the gym and getting stuck with one AirPod realizing they only sell them in pairs. You also won't have any issues with sweating during exercising with a portable speaker. So instead, bring along the JBL speaker and let everyone around you enjoy the latest hits of Taylor Swift and break some PRs. Now for the part everyone's been waiting on, the JBL Flip 5, like the JBL Flip 4, is water resistant. They both have an IPX7 rating, meaning they can be dunked underwater for about 1.5 meters maximum, and that for about 30 minutes in time. This makes it the perfect speaker to bring along to festival campings, pool parties, or in my case, workouts and even cleaning. But does it still function underwater? I did the test. This one's for science. It works. In conclusion, the JBL Flip 5 is not that different from the previous model, the JBL Flip 4. Okay, the sound quality is a little bit better, the bass is much deeper, but next to that, it really lacks some features we had with the previous model, such as the Connect Plus system instead of the Party Boost system we have now. No aux input. They replaced the micro USB with a USB-C input. The built-in microphone, the fact that it's larger, heavier, has the same interface, the same battery life, and only an improvement of 1 hour in charging time. And that's it for this video. Let me know down below in the comments what you think of the JBL Flip 5. Give this video a thumbs up, share it with your workout buddies, and subscribe for more videos. Peace!